So there's a number of really good books on data visualization. I've got a couple of them, and I've used them in putting together this course. I'd like to talk about some of them right now. Ed Tufte, a professor at Yale, has a number of really good books on visualization, on the presentation of visual information. These are mostly on static formats, basically constructing images and being able to understand the data based on that image. And they're mostly focused on graphic design principles as opposed to the computer processing of information to make it more readily available for visualization. But it's a good place to start if you want to understand sort of the layout and the graphic design aspects of data visualization. Also, there's a really good book for scientific visualization called The Visualization Handbook, and this is by Chuck Hansen and Chris Johnson at the University of Utah. And it's mostly curated chapters written by a large number of experts in scientific visualization, or the visualization of scientific data, or in general data that's coordinate based, based on scientific instruments or simulations. We're going to be talking about data visualization, and so I used as a source book a little bit this book on information visualization by Stuart Card, Jock McInlay, and Ben Schneiderman. And this is another curated collection of chapters. The chapters are research papers. The version I have came out in 2000, so it's a little bit older, but the fundamentals really haven't changed in information visualization, and this was a good book for me to use to sort of get those fundamentals into this course. More recently, there's a good book, Information Visualization, Perception for Design by Colin Ware at the University of New Hampshire. And this is a book on perceptual principles applied to data visualization. So it tells you how to lay out your data so that it can be perceived more readily, focusing on user interface and user interaction issues. And finally, there's a really good, really recent book, Visualization, Analysis, and Design by Tamara Munzner at the University of British Columbia. And it covers both scientific and information visualization and includes task analysis and other user interface details. That's quite good. Tamara Munzner is very well respected in the data visualization community, and this book just came out, and so it's very current and a really good volume of sort of the state of the art in data visualization.